Hey everybody, Justin here from Launch Kits on a beautiful day in Lancaster, PA. Um, a lot of the recent questions I've got, I just want to address specifically around when should I get a website? Is it before or after social media? Should I be doing paid ad campaigns? Should I be doing YouTube? Should I do door hangers? Like, what's the best first step? Um, I actually think the correct answer is there's not a necessarily what comes first, but it's what you should have in your arsenal. So if you don't have a website, you don't have an owned, controlled piece of digital real estate that you tell your story, you connect with your leads, you showcase your portfolios, you're on someone else's platform where they can change the rules, and they do change the rules every day pretty much on any social media platform. um, you know, from YouTube to X to TikTok to Instagram, Facebook, all of the things. Um, so whether you show up or not is really up to whether or not you meet a lot of algorithmic rules, and or maybe whether your paid ad spend is high enough, or your conversion rate's high enough. The thing with a website is people are going to go to Google, they're going to Siri talk to their phone, they're going to say, hey, find me this, or maybe they heard about you, and the way they validate you is they're like, hey, check out so and so lawn care, check out so and so painting. If you don't have a website that kind of comes up and confirms, oh, they're real, they're legit, you shouldn't spend, in our opinion, you know, 10, 20, $30,000 on a website in most industries, because the value of a lead is typically not that much. Now, if you're building homes, sure. If you're legal services, sure. If you are doing, say, high-end hardscaping, you might want to have a spend a lot more. But I would say don't spend it on the building of the website, spending it on advertising the website that you built. Does that make sense? So at Launch Kits, because we offer such an affordable way for people to have websites, the money that we recommend they spend is usually in like high-end videography or photography, or if you want to have a paid campaign or a marketing campaign that directs people to that, be it TV, video, radio can convert over time, or email drip campaigns, all these other things. But on the actual construction of your website, I go to sleep at night knowing that at Launch Kits we're offering the most incredible value and experience for people to go live in a week with a website that they can be proud of, that looks, functions, and is found easily, and with a team here in the USA that supports them. That's really what we want to be doing here. So hopefully, as you build your brand online, you'll consider us.